Someone is glorifying, oh, best of the Bhrigu dynasty. So someone is speaking to the best of the Bhrigu dynasty, Bhriguvara. So Bhrigu, the father of Parasuram, I believe, is Bhrigu. So the person could be speaking to Parashuram. At any rate, he says Krishna's name is the sweetest of all sweet things, and the most auspicious of all auspicious things. So it's sweet, madhura, maduram, mangalam, mangalanam, completely sweet, beneficial, auspicious, positive, and full of blessings. And it is the fruit, it is the vali satphalam, it is the eternal fruit on the creeper of all the nigamas, of all the sakala nigama, of all the Vedic literature. Vali means creeper. Chit sarupam, and this name is the very form, a form of consciousness, a form of Krishna. Satkirapi parigitam shadahelyava. It's so special, this holy name of Krishna, that if you only chant one time, if you chant with faith, shradaya, or you're just mocking the holy name, helya. Helya means chanting neglectfully, chanting spaced out, chanting half asleep, chanting because, well, I guess I'm supposed to chant, whatever, I'll chant, and not too much desires. Still, when you're done, your japa sankhya, your daily japa sankhya, number of rounds per guru's order, still you feel everything is very auspicious and things are very good. So this is the nature, the blessings of Krishna is so kind. No matter how we chant His holy name, even once, this is the power. And then it says, Tariyat. It says, the last line it says, and this chanting can deliver one from the ocean of birth and death. So the chanting of Krishna's name is Radha and Krishna. We're associating with Radha and Krishna. And Krishna, we receive bhakti. Bhakti, what is bhakti? Bhakti is the energy of Krishna. It is the Ladini Shakti, which means energy or power, and the Samvit Shakti of Krishna. Vasudeva Sri Krishna, the knowledge potency, and the bliss and love happiness potency combined together in the form of bhakti. So Krishna gives us bhakti, Guru gives bhakti, Guru brings the bhakti seed to the fruit of prema. One may receive the bhakti seed directly from Guru, or he may receive from Krishna, from Krishna or Guru. Either way, the Guru will have to come in the person's life to bring that seed to the phal, the chit phal, the fruit of prema.